Master of the universe, as the sun rises and a new day begins, I lift my heart to you. Thank you for the gift of life and for your love that never fails. Thank you for watching over me through the night and bringing me safely into this new morning. Fill my heart with joy as I walk into this day. Guide my thoughts so they are filled with wisdom. Guide my words so they bring peace. Guide my actions so they reflect kindness, compassion. When I face challenges, remind me that you are with me. When I feel weak, be my strength. When I feel uncertain, be my guide. Teach me to trust in you with all my heart. Help me to choose what is good, honest, and right. May I be slow to anger and quick to forgive. May I show patience to those around me and love without expecting anything in return. Protect my family. Protect my home. Protect everyone I meet today. May my life bring honor to you through the way I speak, the way I serve, and the way I love others. I begin this day with hope instead of fear, with gratitude instead of complaint, with faith instead of worry. Thank you for hearing our prayer. Thank you for your constant love. I place this day into your hands with complete faith. So it is.